Hi, I'm Curtis Bartis
And I'm Dayan Piffler.
and welcome back to the O4 channel. So in today's video, we'll go over the SMC strategy, and this is basically going to be a series of videos on the channel. We will basically go over the strategy we will be trading with in the upcoming videos, for example. So this is the first video of many videos on the channel. So if you're new to the channel, as always, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like on this video, so basically the series can get out to more people on the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, so the channel is, firstly, we did not write this book. This is basically a book we bought, and basically this is the strategy, like I mentioned, we'll be using. There's a lot of strategies out there with regards to forex trading and trading as a whole, which is price action trading, basically your trend line traders, but we are smart money concepts, which is SMC trading. So yeah, so this is basically the intro to the book. Like I mentioned, we did not write this book and we're not selling this book. So this book is basically we're just gonna watch it on the series and learn like how we are learning with regards to SMC traders. So yeah, so as we can see, this is just a intro with regards to the book. There's the topics we will be covering in this book, which is chapter 1, what is SMC concepts. So chapter 2 is basically market structure, which is basically your trend, your uptrend, downtrend. Liquidity, which is a major topic with regards to SMC. We got your supply and demand, and there's subtopics with regards to this. Here we got your mitigation process, chapter 6, which is pricing, and chapter 7, enter of the market, trade management, daily process, money management, and so on. So basically this book covers everything you will need to know to become a SMC trader, or to become a full-fledged trader. So
We do advise that you get the book in order to become much more fluent in trading in SMC.
Yes, 100%. So yeah, so we'll basically cover all the topics on the channel. So like I said, if you want to subscribe, and also make sure to put notifications on. So we basically post these videos every Friday, right, Mr. D?
This will become a series, hopefully.
Series, yeah. Now it will basically is a series. We'll cover all 10 chapters or 11 chapters. So yeah. So why this book? So basically this is all the information, is the author of this book. So we'll just read it. So we'll be monologuing basically the procedure.
Yes.
So why this book? My goal, okay, this is all the author from this book's words. So my goal with this book is to allow traders to have one book containing detailed information with smart money concept strategy. The chapters are created in order to enlighten the importance of mixing all together. So basically all the chapters in the future is just going to show you like a mixture of stuff. I will share all my experience with the smart money concepts. I've been an SMC trader for over 2 years now, and we've been SMC traders for about 2 months now, 3 months.
4
months.
4 months.
4 months, okay.
4 months.
The strategy changed my life and changed the life of thousands of people of years after years, okay. Take your time with this book. Test all concepts one by one and backtest every chapter before moving on to the next one. So that's already a core important part. If you have any questions about chapter, you can contact me on Telegram and get my personal support. So yeah. So personally, we also don't have the Telegram of this person. You basically can contact us, but we're also learning, so we're basically both students. So for €20 supplement, okay, so basically just supplement more lifetime access to his Telegram group. So this, if you want to do this, obviously. So chapter 1. The term smart money concept refers to institutional investors, central banks, financial professions, the force that influence and move the market. So basically SMC stands for those terms like we saw there. Was originally a gambling term that referred to wages made by gamblers with the track record of success. So that's basically the back history of SMC. A lot of mentors love to say that smart money strategies follow what the banks are doing. Personally, I use that to say that it's a common strategy. It follows the price action. The storytelling built around that seems totally legit, but as I don't have a 100% proof, I prefer to use the original version of the definition. Smart money allows me to have a track record with a success, and that is for me the only thing I care, okay. The price action, especially smart money concepts, was clearly what I needed to take my trading to another level. If you feel that your stop loss is chased with your strategy, smart money could be the explanation, okay. Smart money contains multiple concepts that need to be implemented little by little. The mix of all concepts allow the nice risk to reward trade basically. One thing that you need to clarify in your head is that strategy, psychology are two different things. In fact, the latter will remain the biggest part of your trading journey. Okay, so this is basically just a deep down. So you can pause the video if you want to read this again. So yeah, so that's basically chapter 1 of the thing. So that's basically today's video. That is basically an intro course.
Yeah, it's an intro.
So this is basically the start of the journey into basically the SMC Trader. So like we mentioned, there will come a chapter of us basically just learning this together every Friday. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, make sure to do that. And also if you're looking for a broker, make sure to check out HF Markets. The link will be down below if you're planning on joining a broker, and that will basically just support the channel. So yeah, the link will be down below for that, the broker. And make sure to subscribe, comment, and leave a like. So.
Also, keep a lookout for my solo videos, because along with the smart money concept, us going over the book, I'll also be doing my own solo vids on me trading using these concepts.
And I'll also just continue using my random content on the channel, like you saw, like basically with Bitcoin and a lot of financial topics out there. So yeah, this is basically just adding on to the content we kind of deliver on the channel. So yeah, nicely said, Mr. D. So until next time, I'm Curtis Bartis.
And I'm Dan Peffer.
Peace out.